Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. Coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not actually subscribed. And don't forget to leave a comment and click the bell notification if you would like to know anytime I go live. All right, now that I have everything that YouTube wants me to say out of the way, let's get into today's video, which is a Pesto Chicken Gouda Ciabatta. First thing we got to do is we have to make our pesto mayonnaise. And we start off with 1 cup of mayonnaise in a deli container. By the way, if you don't buy deli containers, please start doing so. They make life in the kitchen so much easier. And then you want to add a 1/4 cup of pesto sauce. You can either make your own or, like I did, cheat a little bit and just buy a jar of it. And then you just want to add salt and pepper. Then just grab a little whisk and whisk this until everything is combined. Pop the top on and leave in the fridge for at least an hour before you make your sandwich. Or overnight if you want to do this the night before. All right, as you can see here, I've got 3 ciabattas cut in half. And on the, I guess, bottom one or the flat one, I'm adding a couple of slices of chicken. By the way, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. And then you want to add some deli-style pepperonis. And then add some lovely, couple of slices of some lovely smoked Gouda. And then pop this in the oven for somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes. Basically, you just want to make sure the cheese is good and melted. And these ciabattas here are nice and toasty. All right, and through the magic of cooking show editing, our ciabattas are nearly done. Now it is time to assemble this son of a bitch. And then on the toasted one, we're going to add some of our pesto mayo. And then we're just going to add, the only other thing that I added was shreddis. And pop the top on. And that's it. A Pesto Chicken Gouda Ciabatta. Done.